Last time on the Wild World Diaries. Oh my goodness, look at the time. Gotta go, lots to do. See ya, bye! Oh, hell no. Quick, let's duck into the beauty salon.
Oh mon Dieu! Your hair! It is, how do you say, horrible. Oh my, yes. We must do makeover at once.
Oh, alright. Just a little off the top.
Oui, monsieur. Just Harriet. You look like a new man. Have a seat in front of the mirror there.
Well, I guess it won't hurt. Okay, let's do this. And now, the continuing story.
This will take a moment. So hold still, s'il vous plaît.
Okay.
You may feel a slight burning sensation.
A what?
Here we go. Well, what do you think? It's a all new you, oui? Wow, you look fabulous. Just look at how this dial makes your eyes sparkle.
That's no sparkle. Those are tears of pain.
With this new hairstyle, you'll be the toaster Spira, Zuger.
Really? Oh my god.
See? What did I tell you?
What the did you do to me?
You know like.
I look like freaking Ronald Weasley. Of course I know like.
Everyone is critic.
I demand my old hair back now.
No, we are closed now. Come back tomorrow.
Are you kidding me?
Please come again. Whenever you're ready to apologize.
Oh, piss off, you.
Well, who are you? And where is Zaphod?
I am Zaphod, you masked merchant.
Oh, nice hair.
Oh, that's it. I didn't want to do this, but you leave me no choice.
Wait! You have purchased anything!
Bloody hell, that was a narrow escape. Oh jeez, I'm even talking like Ron now. Blimey, Harry! Okay, this time around I thought I'd give y'all a tour of my town. Here's my garden plot, and these 4 trees represent my foreign fruit orchards. Like my garden path? I designed it myself. And a little further east is the river. Just to the north is my cherry tree grove. This place is a bell mine. But you know what? I really like the lush green look, too. Just happens to be my favorite color. East of Town Hall is my orange grove. Come and see my town flag. Look familiar? I'm so proud of that design. Anyways, this apple orchard represents my town's native fruit. Oh crap, I spooked a bug. I'll catch you later, buddy. Ah, the waterfall. So beautiful. Uh-oh, mosquito. Run away, run away! So, following the river's course, we see where apples and oranges meet. And across the bridge is the shopping district. And my pear trees. So many. Ooh, coconut. We must be near the beach. I'm still working on planting coconuts. Over here is where the river meets the sea. Ah, that looks like a big fish. I'm going for it. Here you go. Take my bait. Oh yeah, right in front of him. That's it. Come to Papa, you big, beautiful... Tire? Oh look, Ronald Weasley caught a tire just for you. Are you amused? Having a good laugh? Because I'm not! Whoa. I just had a little Mr. Rossetti moment there. I'm sorry about that, guys. You know I love you. I'm just having a rough day. I gotta relax. Think happy thoughts, Zaphod. Fishing. No, not fishing. A nice simple haircut. Yeah, no, not that either. Come on, think. Quidditch. What? Quidditch? Bloody hell! Ah, I've got to get rid of this hair. Anyway, here's the peaches. Yippee! This tour is over. What I really need is a few minutes to relax in my comfortable home. Come on in. We'll have a nice cozy chat. Ah, home sweet home. Let's go to the kitchen. I keep some comfort goodies up here. Man, what a day. Make yourself at home. Here, have some cake and tea. So, how you doing? Me? Well, there is this one bizarre thing going on in my town lately. You remember Sally, the squirrel that visited my house back in episode 1? Yeah, I also mentioned that we're best mates. Of course, there are other people that I consider friends, but me and Sally have really bonded. We have a special greeting that's just between us, and we visit each other's houses a lot. Anyway, the point I'm trying to make is that I think the game has been monitoring my movements and has drawn the conclusion that I've really got a thing for squirrels. See, not long after Sally and I started hanging out, the game also moved into my town, Caroline, followed by Nibbles, and Mint. Coincidence? I currently have residing in my town at the same time not 1, not 2, not even 3, but 4 squirrels. Isn't that crazy? My town is becoming infested with squirrels. I'm not really complaining though, because it's the cutest infestation I've ever seen. I mean, just look at them. Aww, they're so cute. Caroline's got such big blue eyes. And their tails are so animated. They're so adorable. But I digress. I just thought it seemed odd. Well, once again, time has made fools of us, and this episode of the Wild World Diaries must end. So, until next time, happy crossing. Ow! Damn mosquito! I'll teach you to bite me! Take that! Come here! Hi-ya! Why, you little... I'm not done yet! I got it! Practicing the piano, and it sounds quite good, don't you think? And I must say that it is a lot of fun playing the piano. That's just ridiculous.